Oh, so welcome to part 2 of the product analysis. I accidentally cut myself off right in the middle of a sentence, so you get to watch this demonstration in 2 parts. So yeah, this is the guideline of the guideline. We have done A, C, C, E, and S for XSFM. So let's continue with the last 3, shall we? So the last one in access is safety. So here you're going to talk about like how safe the product is for the target market. Okay, so if you're going by like a general target market of like it's for designers, then really all you need to focus on is just general. So does it have sharp corners? Do you think those corners are too sharp? Yeah, so you're looking at the product that's already been made rather than what you're going to do. So have a look at that image. Like, are the corners too sharp? You can't actually see the back to it, so I'm going to show you now. But if there was a battery in there, would it be secure enough? Okay, like could it easily fall out and then, I don't know, an animal or a tiny human tries to eat it and swallow it? So are the corners too sharp? Is the power source secure? Yeah. Are all smart are there any loose parts? So these are questions to ask yourself. Have a look at that image and then you can answer them that way. If you think the clock overall is safe, amazing, tell me why. Is it smooth? Does it look like it has splinters? Would that battery be super secure? Yep, tell me your opinion and back it up. Okay, so we've done access and now for the FM. Okay, so I'm just gonna, that's something irrelevant. So the last 2 that we've got left is function and materials. So function is, what is your product? How does it work? And will it work? So as you can see from the video, I haven't got a battery in my clock, but if I did, then I promise you it does work, and it somewhat effectively tells the time. So looking at my existing product in front of me, function is, it's a clock. These aren't trick questions, guys, I promise. It's a clock and it works. How does it work? It tells the time. At the right time. So yeah, it tells the time correctly. Now, I personally would prefer numbers. So one way that it could be improved, I would include, it's a clock and it works. It tells the time correctly. However, needs numbers on the clock face. Okay, so I mean, to be fair, that could go under aesthetics as well. So that's my function. What is it and does it work? Basically, is what the function is. Materials is the last one. Don't worry, guys, we're almost there. So materials, what is it made of? So as we spoke about in the environment section, the clock is made out of wood and plastic for the battery pack. Okay, so for main clock is wood, and this wood is hardwood. If you want to go one step further, it's made out of a hardwood called red grandis. Okay, you can link this back to environment. When you're writing your sentences, you could write this one together and title it materials and environment. Materials and the environment. Okay, So the main part of the clock is made out of wood, which is hardwood, which is red grandis. So if you want to look at the positives for hardwood, hardwood is more durable and longer lasting than softwood. However, it is less sustainable. Hardwood is more expensive as well and hard to cut. You can then explore plastic of the hands. Okay, so will they be easy to break? Is it a harder plastic, etc., etc. So I'm going to just like glaze over this one more, like show you one more time. So where did we get to? Environment last time before it cut off. So here is size. You know, it's handheld, not too heavy, not too top heavy. In my personal opinion, it probably could be bigger. Safety. You know, does it have sharp corners? Is the power source secure? Are there any loose parts? Or is it fantastic and it's lovely and smooth all over? Function. Is it a clock? Yes. Yes, it is a clock. And it works. It tells the time correctly. However, my personal opinion, it needs numbers on the clock face. Especially if its target market is the older generation. Materials. So my clock is made out of wood. It is made out of hardwood, a hardwood called red grandis, which is less sustainable than softwood. However, it is more durable and longer lasting. But then other negatives are it is more expensive to purchase and it's harder to cut, so you'll be spending more effort when it comes to manufacture. Anyway, so you guys can go through this list. Okay, you're welcome to go through this video again and pause it whenever you need to. You're welcome to steal my bullet points, but you need to add your own and you need to write a full sentence for each point of Access FM, analysing the existing clock product. Thank you.